Welcome students. Today our topic is multiplication of algebraic expression. In my before the previous class I have done the addition subtraction of algebraic expression. Now come to the multiplication of algebraic expression. Now suppose here is given one algebraic expression, that is, we know that for multiplication the exponent should be added. That is x to the power 3 into x to the power 5. We got x to the power 3 plus 5. Okay, the x to the power 8. Now x to the power, here some wrong is given here. X to the power 6 into this should be cross sign. This should be into sign. X to the power 6 into x to the power 4. Okay, x to the power 4 is equal to x to the power 6 plus 4 is equal to x to the power 10. That is, this formula should be applied. Now here first comes the multiplication of two monomial. Okay, first comes multiplication of two monomial. You know how about monomial? Now this is the monomial. The product of monomial, two monomial, is the product of their numerical coefficient into product of their variable. That means, suppose we have to multiply 6xy into minus 3x square y cube. So we have to first multiply this 6 with this minus 3. 6 into minus 3 minus 18. Next, this x with this x square. X to the power 1 plus 2. This y is equal into this y cube. Y to the power 1 plus 3. That is minus 18 x cube y to the power 4. So that is my required answer. Okay. Similarly, this also given. You can get it from your book easily. Those who have books available and those who have not books available, they can see it in my video. Okay. Next, multiplication of a polynomial by a monomial. This is the rule, students. This is the main rule. A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Okay. Actually, this, what is this property? You have already read it. This is called distributive property, na? Distributive property. Using distributive property. This is the distributive property. Now we have to find each of the following product. That is 5a square to this. Now we have to first, this is bracket. Now we apply distributive property. That is, multiply this term with this, again this with this term, again this with this term. Now one thing, students, we have to remember that sign matters here. Sign. Okay. So you have to very cautious about this sign also. Otherwise your math would be wrong. Okay. So here the process is given, that is 5a square b square into this is equal to the 5a square b square is multiplied with each of the terms, and this is the my required result. Okay. Next, multiplication of two binomial. These are the two binomial. Okay. That is a plus b and c plus d is a binomial. Two binomial. That multiplication is given here. Binomial. First, c plus d is multiplied to a, then c plus d is multiplied to b, then again this breaks with distributive law, this breaks with distributive law, and my neat result is comes this ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. That is the original answer. Now for actually following this, we can start or we can solve by this multiplication. This 3x 5y, this multiplication. Okay, by the similar process. Next, student, there is some several process. The process is, first is the column wise multiplication. column wise multiplication. The multiplication can be performed column wise as shown below. This is the column wise multiplication. That is the previous multiplication I have shown. The previous multiplication I have shown 3x plus 5y and 5x minus 7y. That is my horizontal process. Okay, and this is my vertical process. Vertical, why it is vertical? Because we taken the algebraic expressions as vertically. Okay, and before that we have taken the algebraic expression this horizontally. Okay, so that is called vertical horizontal. This is the similar process. That means 5 multiplied to 3, 15, 5x multiplied to 3, 15x square, 5x multiplied to 5y, that is 25xy. That's all. Okay, next 7 multiplied to 3, 27 minus 21xy, 7 multiplied to 5, 35y square. Now after calculating that we are getting the final result. This is the final result. And here all the steps is given: multiplication by 5x, multiplication by minus 7y, multiplication by 5x minus 7. This is the my result. Okay, so similarly here is also same multiply 3x square plus y square by 2x square plus 3y square. This is the horizontal process. This is the horizontal process because we taking these two algebraic expression as horizontally. Okay, next, and this is the vertical process. So we take these two along vertically. So this is the vertical process or column method, whatever you told, column method and horizontal method. So all the types is given here. Similarly, this multiplication, this is also column method. 5x square minus this by multiplication of two polynomial. This is a polynomial 5x square minus 6x plus 9 with 2x minus 3. This is the multiplication. Okay, first we multiply 2x to each of the terms, then we get this. Next multiply minus 3 with each of the terms and we get this. Now one thing we have to remember, that here 12x square present and 15x square present. So we have to write this minus 15x square right after the minus 12x square. The coefficient, because the variable power is same, we have to remember that. Here 18x, then 18x. The variable power is same. Now we have to write just after that. Okay, so that is the process. Next, similarly multiplied to trinomial. This is the trinomial. First trinomial, second trinomial. This is the process. This is the vertical process. Vertical process, they can give a solution here. Okay, now here also can written that this is multiplied by x square multiplied by 7x multiplication by minus 8 and multiplication by this whole. Okay, means for the first result, this result only multiplication by x square. This result comes only by multiplication by 7x plus 7x, and this result is comes only by multiplication of minus 8 with this. Now after calculating whole the result, we have got that multiplication of this by this. Okay, that is the my required process. So one more examples is given here. This example you can see from your book. This is one of this example. And so that's it for today's video. I hope you will understand if you see this video very carefully. Now I will providing you some solutions of your exercise 6b. This exercise number 6b. This is exercise number 6b of RS Agarwal math book. Rest of all is your homework. Okay, now till then keep watching, do subscribe. Thank you.